Working with pigs for me is rewarding because you can see their personalities. They are individual animals, and then when you do something that affects their environment, you can actually see the results out of that. They can teach you a lot of things if you just sit down and let them show you what they would naturally do. I'm Kevin Kurbis with AgriHub group of companies. Many people would know me from the New Standard branch of that. What I do is basically take care of the hog side of the industry, right from barn design to analysis of problem areas, and my main focus and passion tends to be on sow care and design around welfare and feeding. We build farms, and personally I wear that with pride, but at the same time I respect the fact that technically we help build farms. It's our customers, the farmers themselves that are building them, we're just providing a service to them. The factors that we would consider are really all things environmental that the pig would interact with. Most people would think the environmental conditions would refer to the temperature, and they do. We're aiming for a thermal neutral environment. But there is also things to consider, such as lighting, the amount, the intensity. With today's lighting, you can buy LED lights anywhere, but they actually have a flicker rate so we have a meter that we test the lighting levels, and it can actually affect their biorhythms. Feeding is also an important one. If we can take the stress of looking for feed, give them food security, that changes their attitudes and behavior a whole lot just in that. We're always trying to encourage natural behavior. The closer we can get to an environment where the pig just feels comfortable, the animal is set up to say, this feels right, then we've won that battle and made sure that we can have a highly functioning animal.
I'm Joel Ballard. I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba. I work for Innovative Vet Services, and I'm a swine veterinarian. Our producers follow very strict animal welfare standards. So the Canadian Pork Council has implemented a program called Canadian Pork Excellence, and that is a national program that uses science and research to establish animal welfare. Pig care and pig safe are components of the Canadian Pork Excellence auditing program that producers must follow. So it looks at everything from animal husbandry, with animal welfare, feed, water quality, space allowance requirements, overall well-being of the animals. Manitoba producers are committed to the conversion to group housing gestation. I mean, that's already evident by the fact that more than 50% of the sows in the province have already been converted. We see the benefits of the system, and our producers are committed to making that change by 2029. Overall goal of these programs is to provide insurance to our consumers and our international partners that we're providing them with the best, highest quality pork that they'll be able to get around the world.
The reality is the larger the scale the farm is, the more easy they can actually stay modern, stay efficient, and keep up with where the industry is going.
I think that the size of the farm, it can be, to the everyday consumer, a little bit overwhelming, but keep in mind the technology that we have available nowadays is quite an investment, right? So in order to be able to have these technologies, you have to be of adequate size, but at the same point in time, it's also providing the animals that standard of living that we know that they deserve as well. So as the farms get bigger, they become more efficient. They actually become more environmentally friendly. And any technology that's developed now is really focused upon environment first, reducing gas emissions, manure management strategies, and all of that. The relationship I have with my clients is exceptionally close, right? They trust me not only with managing their livestock from a health standpoint, and that goes beyond just being their veterinarian. So we always strive for prevention rather than reaction, and that's our main focus. And it's been an exceptionally successful model in raising livestock and producing high quality, safe pork.
The producers, when you see the care they have for these animals, right, it's not just a job. They wouldn't be in it anymore. There's too many challenges. They'd be out and doing something else to just make money. They're in it because it also is rewarding to them on a daily basis to be able to see that caring for these animals is rewarding. A banker probably will not give you a loan based on how that makes you feel rewarded, but it truly is up to that level, I find. For the producers, they are that type of people. They genuinely care for these animals along their entire journey.